Hey guys, it's me, Shani, and today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me for the Nutcracker ballet that I'm going to, and it's going to be Ice Princess themed makeup, so if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to start with brows. This is my Thrive Cosmetics Instant Brow Fix in Serena. I have been dealing with allergies, so I feel like I'm red, but we're going to cover that up. And let's just start with the brows. Today I am going to the Nutcracker Ballet for the first time, and I'm so excited. I don't know how I never went to the Nutcracker Ballet before. It just seems like something I would have done, so I'm so excited. I'm also going to put on my Bigger Than Beauty Pout Hero Peppermint Lip Treatment. This is so perfect for the holidays. And my lips were dry, so that is just awesome. Next, we are going in with the Thrive Cosmetics Eye Lift Waterproof Eye Primer. And I'm just going to put a little on my eyes here. I also did start out with the Filtered Effects Protecting Primer from Thrive Cosmetics just as a SPF and kind of a primer for my skin. The inspiration for this look is Ice Princess makeup, so I've seen this kind of trending lately is Ice Princess makeup, so kind of cool toned and very bright pink cheeks, you know, kind of looking like you're out in the cold, very white inner corners. So I'm going to try my own take on it. I pulled a bunch of eyeshadow palettes and I realized I have this one from ColourPop that's literally ballet themed, which is perfect for this video because I'm going to the ballet tonight for the first time. So this is the Petals and Point, I'm probably saying that wrong, pressed powder palette, and I got this last year. I remember doing a look with the pinks on my channel that I didn't love, like the pink mattes I didn't love, but I want to try out using some of the cooler tones. So I'm going to start with this color. Yeah, that's very light. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to go over that, I think, with something else. I feel like this might be washing me out, so I'm gonna try going in to my Sultry palette from Anastasia, and the shade Twig is kind of this cool toned brown. I'm gonna try that out. I kind of like that, the lighter gray kind of fading into this darker gray. And then with a clean brush, I'm just gonna blend that out. Next, I'm going to deepen up the outer corner with, I think I'm going to do Take a Bow. It's this brown, but it's kind of a cooler toned brown. Okay, I'm liking that. It's a little dramatic, but nice. I'm going to go in with my Alamar primer. And this one is a little bit stickier than the Thrive Cosmetics one, and I like this for my shimmers. So I'm just going to put this where I want to put shimmer. I think I'm going to start with a white. This palette has a nice shimmery white called Fluffed Tutu. So let's start with that one. I have other shimmery whites that might even be better, but because it's right here, let's try it. Oh, that's pretty. I think that'll do a good job. I'm also kind of going a little higher than normal too, just because we really want this white to be obvious. Because we are frosted, we are an ice princess. Have you seen the Nutcracker Ballet? I would love to know. I, again, don't know how I haven't seen it. I feel like I should have seen it by now, but I'm excited. Do we want this shade? I think it's too dark. I'm gonna go in with the Sultry palette again and go into Cyborg, which is this gorgeous silver. And I think that is what I want on the middle lid, just to add a little bit of contrast. I'm gonna take a pointed little like angled eyeliner brush and just take a bow and just kind of do a little tiny bit of a liner. Okay, so I went ahead and applied my foundation. First, I went in with my e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer, which is such a great primer, and then I went in with the Beauty Blender Bounce Skin Tint. I have shade Light 2, really love this stuff, and I mixed in just a little bit of my It Cosmetics CC Plus Illumination. This one's a little dark for me, Fair Light. So I mixed them together. This is a little light for me right now. This is a little dark for me. So mixed those, and I'm liking what we have here. Next, I'm going to go in with cream bronzer. This is my Merit Beauty Bronze Balm in the shade Clay. For cream blush, I honestly could go with a few different things, but I think I'm going to go with my Thrive Cosmetics Kaisa shade. This is just a really pretty dusty rose, and for some reason it's giving ballerina, so I'm going to go in with this. And while I blend that out, I'm also going to put on my concealer. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Fair Cool Concealer. Would you try out an Ice Princess inspired makeup look? I feel like for me, I really like this look because I do tend to like cool tones on me, but maybe some people with, I don't know, they might be scared of a bright inner corner like that, like a bright white inner corner. Or they just don't love cool tones on them. But for me, I feel like I really like cool tones. Doing this look makes me feel like I need to do more cool tones, because I don't always, but I really like how this eye came out. I think this would be really pretty for like a New Year's look. That is a really pretty blush. I like that. Next, I'm going to set my concealer with the Pat McGrath Light Skin Fetish Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder. So blend this out and set it with that, and then for the rest of my face, I'm going to set it with the Lawless Perfecting Powder in the fair shade here. Okay, I am all powdered. Let's go into the eye palette again. I'm going to do a little bit on the lower, wait a minute. I think I'm going to go in with the sultry shade Twig, the one we did in the crease. I think I'm going to go in with that and use that on the lower lash line just a little bit. Then we're going to go in with the same brush, but we're going to go in with this palette and then go into that really light gray and do that closer to the inner corner, but underneath. Then I think I still want it more bright and white, so I'm going to go in with my Jouer Ultra Foil palette. There's a super white color. I'm going to try that and see how that goes. Yeah, I think that's what we needed, just to really brighten it. Look like we're out in the snow. We're super frosted. That's the vibe we're going for. We're going to next put on some mascara. So I think what I'll do is the Thrive Cosmetics Volumizer Black Mascara and then their Extension Mascara. I'd love to know what you've been doing or enjoying this December. I went to a Christmas market with my fiance. What else have we done? I feel like we've been doing a lot of gift shopping, which has been so exciting. I literally love buying gifts for people. Like, I'm so excited for them to open their gifts in a few weeks. I cannot wait. I have some really good gifts this year. Like, I outdid myself, I think. I don't know. I'm excited. Okay, the eyes are done officially. I really like them. Okay, let's finish the look. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Omega Bronze, just because it's a little more cool toned. And then blush, I'm going to go into Round the World Pressed Powder Blush from ColourPop, and it's a super bright pink. I think that's going to be interesting for this look. And then lastly, the Complex Culture Good Lighting Highlighter in the shade Lucid, I think is my most bright kind of white toned highlight. I totally understand that this time of year can be a hard time for some people, so I don't want to gloss over that at all, because I totally can see that as well. But I do think there are a lot of great things about this time of year, and decorating for Christmas, buying gifts for others is just something I really enjoy. So yeah, but I'm totally sending love to everyone out there. I know it is a hard time of year also. Will this be too bright of a pink? Let's see. I'm kind of nervous. That's not that bad. Ooh, honestly, that's really tying the look together. I love the cool tone blush with the cool tone eye. Oh my gosh, really pretty. I think they just go together nicely. I feel like on camera it doesn't look like much, but in person I'm really blushed. Now we just gotta do lips. I'm gonna go in with my Thrive Cosmetics Joe lip liner because I love this color. And then I think this Buxom lip gloss in White Russian, I know this was a super old favorite of mine, I think that would be pretty. Honestly, any pink color that you have probably would do for this look, but these are the ones I wanted to go with. Okay. Let's see if the gloss is going to be too light. I'm not sure. But this like pink color I thought would be pretty. I think that works. Let me look in the mirror. This gloss has a cooling sensation too, so it might actually not be the best if you're actually going out in the cold, because it'll make you colder. Okay, here is the final look. We have the really icy cool toned eye with the kind of cool toned lip and bright pink cheeks. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me for the Nutcracker Ballet. I'm so glad I remembered that I own a ballet themed palette, because that was perfect, and I think all the other products kind of came together. And yeah, I'm thinking this is a good Ice Princess inspired look. Okay, I added a hat, my little pink pearl hat, which I love, and now we have the complete Ice Princess look, I think. What do we think? Also, they did like a little Walmart commercial of Gilmore Girls characters, and Lorelai had a pearl hat on that was white, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's like my hat. Love it. Just wanted to do a quick update. We absolutely loved the Nutcracker. It was so amazing, and I got this little ornament there. How cute are these little slippers with the pink ribbon here? I think I'm gonna put them right here on my little tree. But yeah, it was a really great performance. We so enjoyed it, and I want to go every year now to the Nutcracker Ballet. It was just so impressive, and we just loved it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.